Some traders chase big flashy wins, but I've built a real consistent income from modest trades that help to pay for things like groceries. This is how I turned $100 into $150 using NAS with a trading style designed just for me. Trading doesn't have to be gambling or hype. It's a practical skill that fits real lives, especially for those of us who are 40 and up and want a steady, reliable result. That's why I use simple, modest setups that add up over time. For years, I struggled to find a style that matched my personality and schedule. Then I discovered the GPT Trading Style Finder, which helped me build a custom approach for short intraday plays, rule-based and patient with no guesswork. And this is a kind of consistent trading that pays your bills and can fit your life. Here's the chart I marked the day before the move. We got a clean trend line break on the 15-minute time frame, got a clean trend line break and retest setup. I entered the trade based on that structure and set my stop loss above the high and waited for the market to move. I didn't have to make any wild predictions or anything. I was just following my rules. This is the same strategy that I've been using for months and that I've been recording in my journal. And this trade took my balance from about $100 to $150. So it's a modest win, but it is a real win. And also, if you caught my Sunday newsletter, no bias on EURUSD was also spot on this week. That prep gave me confidence to trust the setup without second guessing. And this is why I emphasize a consistent routine, and that's why I share my analysis early, because it helps you stay ahead with clarity. So you're not guessing, you're prepared, right? So we're not predicting, we're preparing. All right, so it's not about chasing huge, risky moves. Trades like this, these small trades matter because they do have real life impact, like paying for groceries or covering bills. And that's what I want for you, just practical wins, not just all hype. All right, and the GPT Trading Style Finder gave me the confidence to stop guessing and start trading in a way that suits me. So using my patience, and which is my superpower, and I'm sure it's your superpower too if you're over 40 or 50, using that and making sure that we follow our clear rules is the way that we can win over trying to just predict the market. So we're using patience, and we're also using this trading edge. This edge that we've gained over the past few months by recording in our journal and following our strategy and our rules. Okay, and here we are on the trade on the Hanko Trade platform. We can see that our 15-minute break and retest is in effect, and we got into the trade, and then once it reached a certain area, I went on and took off about a little more than half of the trade. But I always want to, just as we do on EURUSD, always go ahead and move your stop loss down to break even and remove some of your profit. Go ahead and secure some profit. And that turned out to be a great trade. A $50 win might seem modest compared to big market moves, but it's real money that covered my groceries this week. So trading like this is all about consistency. If you want to build your own style, check out the GPT Trading Style Finder below and join our Sunday question and answer newsletter for my next setups and tips.